You getting ready to drive Dad's truck? You're gonna have a truck like this one day, huh? Yeah, you're a big boy now, my little diesel mechanic in training. Give me 5. Yeah, give me 5s. That's my boy. Long truck problems, boys. I'm in the spot. We're good right here. Front wheel, rear wheel in the box, but the long truck is still a good 2 feet, 2.5 feet into this other parking spot. Sorry, not sorry. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Pure Panorama. First off, excuse my neighbors over there playing their loud music. Every weekend they have bonfires, play their music all hours of the night, and honestly piss me off. So I think Sheriff Josh may go over there and have a chat with them coming up soon. But we are just getting back from the stores. We went out to the mall for a little bit, and I gotta say, the VP44 injection pump on the 24 valve Cummins is starting to get worse and worse with the warmer temperatures here in summer weather. If I drive the truck out anywhere and we're there for an hour, 2 hours, whatever, it is just not enough time for the computer on the VP44 injection pump to cool down. And when I go to start the Cummins truck back up, it literally just hard starts and is really starting to struggle. And we really experienced that issue tonight when we were leaving the mall. I thought we were gonna honestly have to go find something to do for a little bit longer until the truck cooled down some more. So I think we're gonna have to bite the bullet here and just get the new VP44 injection pump here so that we can get it installed on the truck, because I can't be having that and it's just gonna stress me out until we do it and get it out of the way. Now the thing is, and I'll be the first to tell you, I've been trying to push this off and put it off as long as possible, trying to get by so that I could just try to continue to save money, but I haven't been real good at that lately with all the other stuff I've been doing to the truck and taking care of my family, being the only income here for my family. So I guess I might be kicking myself in the ass a little bit because of all the other little things that I've done on the truck. Probably some of that stuff could have waited, and the money that I spent on some parts would have maybe been better suited going towards a VP44 injection pump and getting that done. My selfishness and the side of me that wanted to gamble a little bit, I guess, thought that I might be able to buy just a little bit more time and get by a little bit longer. So I'm probably just gonna have to tap into the savings account and pull money out of that. I was trying to avoid doing that, but at the end of the day, that money is there to help in situations where you need help and stuff like that. But I hate to draw from that and take from that and then have to worry about replacing it and building it back up. So it looks like at this point I'm probably just gonna have to go ahead and do that and get this damn pump here so that we can get it on the truck, because I sure as hell would rather do that than get stuck somewhere waiting for the truck to cool off, or have the VP44 decide that it just doesn't want to engage at all and then the truck just is stuck and I gotta get it towed. Now another little problem that we just noticed on the way back is we're cruising, windows are obviously down a little bit, nice summer night, we're enjoying the scenery, it's getting dark, and the turbo started to sound a little funny on this thing, and I thought maybe it was just because we were driving by a ditch that had like really tall weeds and stuff, and I thought just the sound, however it was bouncing off those weeds, maybe just sounding different than what I'm used to. But we got through that and past all that, and I continued to hear it and notice it. So I just kept listening. I'd get into the truck, and honestly the power levels seem like, I don't know, it still moves and takes off and everything, but it doesn't engage and pick up. So the boost gauge is going up, there's definitely airflow and air circulating, so I'm getting a reading on the boost gauge as normal, but for whatever reason it doesn't feel like it's boosting and creating the power that it should. So I am gonna be checking into that tomorrow. We're gonna be looking at it. If my gut is right and speaking to me correctly, I think that the old HY35 on the 24 valve Cummins may have finally just passed away. Rest in peace, little HY35. That's nothing new though. We knew basically that that turbo was tired. The HY35 is just worn out. I don't know when the last time, if ever, that thing has been rebuilt. So we're gonna, first thing in the morning, get out here. We're gonna pop the hood on the truck. We are gonna look at it and see what we can't find. Some little wild dog looking thing literally just ran by me in the driveway and looked like it had something dangling out of its mouth. Not quite sure what it was, but definitely was dragging something along the stone, and I don't know, but we're gonna get this video wrapped up in a second anyways. But yo, I don't know what the hell that is, and I don't want it to come back up from behind me and drag me across the driveway. First thing in the morning, we are gonna get out here. We're gonna examine the HY35. We're gonna pull the air intake off. We're gonna look at the shaft, see if there's any play in it, examine for oil leaks and stuff, and just see what we can find. This little guy right here, or this little big guy compared to the HY35, because we know this is definitely bigger than the HY35, but we're going to be seeing this thing get put back together probably tomorrow, and hopefully on the truck some point this coming week. You guys got to see me cleaning the truck out earlier. I took everything out of it. We vacuumed it, we wiped it all down, cleaned the windows, all that good stuff. And let me go grab the products that I use for that so I can show you quick what we use, and then we'll wrap this video up. So for wiping down the interior parts, the dashboard, the steering wheel, all that stuff, this is what I use, which is Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant for dash, glass, navigation, and more. So it's safe, it's good for everything. I also sprayed a lot of this on the floor initially to try and wipe up a lot of the dirt and grime, but this is what I use for the interior. I also use a Meguiar's product as well, and then I went over the floor with Chemical Guys Banana Spray Wax. So this is a Blazing Banana spray wax, and it's a Carnauba spray gloss, and it's obviously meant for the outside, but you can definitely do plastics and glass and things like that with it. I always wax the outsides of my windows. It does definitely help, especially the windshield. Helps with water beating up and rain necks. Just wax your windshield, bro, you'll be all right. So I've always done that. Headlights, taillights, wax everything, wheels, all that stuff. But these were the two products that I used today, Chemical Guys stuff, and we'll go over other things as we get into doing the outside of the truck as well. So the 24 valve Cummins definitely needs a bath. I need to clean the wheels up thoroughly, and when we do, I will bust out other products and show you what I do, how I do certain stuff, and some old tips and tricks that I used to do when I was an auto detailer back in the day. Ambulance is coming up somewhere. That is gonna do it for this video though. I guess was sharing the update about the VP44, just what's going on with that thing, because it definitely is getting worse. And then of course the issue that we discovered with the HY35 on the way home tonight. So letting you know, we're gonna be investigating tomorrow, tearing into some stuff. And I also was thinking about maybe trying to get the carrier bearing done, but I don't know how that's gonna go depending on what I find as I get under the hood of this thing. So we will figure it out. We will get some stuff done, and there will be a video for you of something. It might be me rambling on, it might be getting some stuff done. There definitely will be getting stuff done and me talking just the way it is, man. I'm sorry guys, please forgive me. Hit that like button on your way out. If you're stopping in for the first time, hit subscribe, because there's just never-ending issues with my 24 valve Cummins. Do you like this light, by the way? I'm using the nice LED interior lights to light me up here in the night. I think it's pretty amazing. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I just wanna keep